Reassembly, starting with the oil seal for the output or the input shaft. We know these are the carrier bearings. No, that's the top upper bearing. I think it's probably this one. This feels right. Yeah, this is down inside here, right?
Yes.
And then we need one. This is the bearing.
With the holes facing up. Is that the one that we need to clean? No? I have holes in it.
Not only that, it's not right size. This is, I think, no, this is the one that goes with the upper main shaft bearing.
So that's not a needle bearing, is it?
No. I mean, technically, let's check that. I think this is it. Yep. And do we want to clean this down? Let's get some rust and shit on it. It does have the oil holes.
Just run it through the kerosene or there with a brush.
Don't take any kind of a strong brush. Brass at the worst. In case y'all are wondering how we're doing this without screwing anything up, we've got the original shop manual for it. So we drop our plastic piece down in. Oil holes have to face up.
Okay, inspect the synchro ring teeth, we've done that. Inspect the gear hub thrust surface, we've done that. Cone surface for wear. Cone surface is smooth area. I did that when I was washing. Inspect the teeth on all gears for running wear, scrolling, going down, cracks. Coat the cone surface of the gear with oil and place the synchro ring on the matching gear. Rotate the ring, making sure that it does not slip. Measure the clearance between the ring and gear all the way around. How do we know which gear goes with which? This is where I'm lost. Here we go.
This is the first gear.
There we go. That's what it is. Right there.
This is the that gear.
All right.
No.
No.
This gear.
That gear. No. This is the counter shaft. This is the main shaft.
Oh.
That's why.
I'm fully
You the man.
You
Man, no, you man. That was actually those two gears together. That's two bearing and something there, and that's the way that I think it's that one. Flip it over. What? It's got the two horizontal.
Well, the thing that sucks is that that picture just might not be accurate. I'm guessing it takes every one of these is free. It's not necessarily going to be a completely accurate picture. I really thought it was that guy. Or this guy. Hang on, let me see which one it is.
3 notches, 3 notches, no notches. This is the main shaft.
Yeah. I think there's inspection.
Doesn't tell you which gear that is. I think that's just a generalization for how to inspect the gap and the everything for each gear.
Find you what it is. Because what you'll do is take this. This is how you measure your synchros. 0.4 millimeters minimum. You want to have 0.5 to 1.1. You should have field gauges here. I forgot to bring the mics. show you guys how this works. Normally, clutch right here, everything's spinning. Gear's not engaged. What happens, you push shift fork, it clicks in place. Now it's grabbed. Now the whole thing spins. And when you go back to neutral, let's click up. You're back in neutral. Face is upward, right?
Yeah, and then you got a synchro ring, synchro spring, synchro sling. You already have the ring and spring on that? Okay. Next to the sleeve. No, not the hub, the sleeve.
It's going to be the same thing as last time.
Oh, okay, I see. The sleeve fits over the hub.
I got it.
And the last to lock all that together is pressing on the bearing.
And I think it's going to slide on nice. What do you think? Okay? Wait, where? Alright, that's pretty square. Now we can take us over.
Oh, dear Lord. Famous last words. Hang on, I'm going to try to get a better vantage point. This vantage point sucks.
Making sure the gears spin smooth. Yeah, baby. Take a spring launcher. Drop it on her just so we don't forget it. Would you like zoom in and shit?
Yeah.
Well, I was talking.
No. You were done with all that. Just put the shit on the thing. Moving on to the counter shaft.
Yeah. Hang on.
What?
Very first step. We gotta check all the synchros.
I know, I'm just getting us to that page in the book. So what are you doing?
Let's check. So I'm doing is I'm lifting this gear up off of that spacer.
Okay, assembling the counter shaft. And make sure that the ring to gear clearance for the synchros is between 0.85 and 1.1, not to exceed 0.4, which is the service limit.
It's all in millimeters.
Yes.
When you check the synchros,
Yeah.
check your synchros. What you want to do, wipe them all down, make sure they're nice and clean. Take a little bit of oil, just the old oil we had.
By old, we don't mean used. It's just, it wasn't used. It's red line that we just put in the, we're soaking parts in it.
Soaking the lifters.
Yeah.
That's what leftovers. Just apply some oil. Make sure your synchros are down and nice and neat. But no problem. I'm just applying literally like the weight of my hand against this. I don't want to press down on it. Yeah, no problem in there. Now, I don't want it to exceed
0.4.
0.4. So we're right in the service limit's good. You check all of them the same way. We already assembled the main shaft here, so now we're going to assemble the counter shaft. So bam. Oh, maybe not bam.
Bam!
Bam. Bam.
All right.
First, we got thrust washer, which we kept up. And the main shaft itself.
Counter shaft.
We need the main counter shaft. Take the counter shaft, take the thrust washer, make sure you kept it in alignment. Whoop, whoop.
Needle bearing for first gear.
Needle bearing. It's up in there nice. First gear, I assume.
Yep.
First gear is easy to find, it's the big one.
I think you're right about. I think there's that. Do we got the sync on everything in there? Let that sync off. It still friction down there. Is there friction down there?
You know what? There is inside of
So
this.
they never came out. Alright, so they're already on
Good.
it.
We didn't know what the fuck they were talking about. We didn't know at all.
Alright, synchro ring, synchro hub. This,
That's
this. Keep getting that to do the hub. This is the ring, that's the hub.
he did. Where's the friction modifier thing go? Up or down? Up or down?
Down.
Sure?
Well, because if it's in between first and the hub, then yeah, it's going to have to be down. If you put it on separately, you put it on first before the hub, so it'll be down.
Same deal here on the synchros. Make sure you line them
All right. Reverse gear.
up. Reverse gear?
Reverse gear, right here, isn't it?
No,
No?
that's not reverse gear at all. This one's reverse gear.
That is the reverse gear.
Oh, that is reverse gear. This
Jesus.
is reverse gear.
That's what I said.
Shut up. All right.
No.
So we take our, I think it's fourth gear.
That's third gear, actually.
Third
That's
gear.
fourth gear.
Started fourth gear. The counter gear. Gonna go on like
Flat side goes down.
slow bearing.